Meet 4 robots with unique skills. Let's check them out.
Firefighter, ready to protect. Samurai, fast and sharp.
Medical, ready to heal.
Dancer, feel the rhythm.
Which robot is your favorite?
You came.
I was waiting. I've been waiting for this moment.
Me too.
I just cleaned this place, and look at this mess you two made.
For the first time, I truly felt like a movie director instead of someone simply prompting an AI. The AI film you just watched was directed inside Lumina Canvas using a virtual 3D studio, where I positioned the cameras, moved the characters around the scene, choreographed their actions, and planned every shot before Seedance 2.0 generated the final video. If your dream is to become a world-class AI movie director, this video is a must-watch. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 different levels of AI filmmaking. 1. Beginner mode. Perfect for creators who prioritize speed and want to generate videos in just a few clicks. 2. Normal mode. Perfect for creators who prefer creating videos from a script and storyboard before generating the final result. 3. Director mode. This is where you'll take full creative control inside a virtual 3D studio, directing the camera, positioning characters, choreographing every movement, and designing every shot just like a real film director. Lumina Canvas. Lumina is Byte+'s official AI visual creation platform, bringing together industry-leading AI models like Seedance 2.0 4K, Seedance Mini, Seedream 5.0, and GPT Image 2 in one place. Unlike many AI platforms where you have to wait in a generation queue, Lumina lets you generate images and videos without waiting in line, and you'll always be among the first to access the latest Seedance models, including Seedance 2.5. Lumina Canvas is a new Lumina feature designed to streamline your entire AI filmmaking workflow. Instead of switching between multiple AI tools, Canvas lets you manage everything in one place. From script planning and storyboarding to scene consistency, panorama for building larger environments, batch generation for exploring multiple creative variations, and final video generation, all within a single Canvas interface. If you're new to Lumina AI, click the link in the video description to claim your free credits and unlock the $0.99 trial plan. Beginner mode. While Lumina Canvas gives you complete creative control and is designed for professional AI filmmaking, not every project needs that level of detail. For example, if you want to create content at scale for social media, such as educational or explainer videos, Lumina Agent is the better choice. Unlike Canvas, you don't need to plan every shot manually. Simply enter your topic, choose your target audience and visual style, and Lumina Agent automatically researches the content, writes the script, creates the storyboard, generates the visuals, and produces a complete video for you. To show you how it works, let's create a short educational video explaining how black holes work. First, go to the Lumina Agent page. Click the Explainer video option and describe the topic you want to create. In this example, I asked the agent to create an educational video about how black holes work. If you want, you can upload image references such as characters, objects, or backgrounds. Next, select the aspect ratio, video duration, and style, such as cinematic, 3D cartoon, anime, or clay animation. Then, select the voiceover language and click Generate to start the process. Lumina Agent will then generate the story, visuals, and storyboard. All you need to do is make adjustments if needed by chatting with the agent. Once everything looks good, simply tell the AI agent to generate the final video, and here's the result.
Ever wonder how black holes are made? It starts with a massive star. When a giant star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own weight, squeezing into a tiny, super dense point. And boom! A black hole is born. Now, what makes them so special? It is their insane gravity. Let's toss this star in. Watch what happens. The gravity is so intense, it stretches everything out. The pull is so strong that not even light can escape.
Normal mode. Now, let's start using Lumina Canvas for our video project. This time, we'll begin with the script planning node. First, go to the Canvas page and create a new project. Click the plus button and select the script planning node. In the script window, describe the movie, story, advertisement, or video you want to create, then click Generate. The AI will create a project brief, asset list, and scene list, complete with detailed prompts, images, and descriptions. You can make changes at any time. For example, you can modify an asset by editing its prompt and clicking the AI Generate button to regenerate it. In the Scenes panel, you can see what happens in each scene and how long it lasts. To change a scene's duration, simply adjust it manually or use Smart Duration to let the AI determine the optimal length for each scene. Once everything looks good, click Create Storyboard. The image generation is powered by GPT Image 2, which is one of the best models for creating storyboards. You can customize the generation using the Advanced Parameters panel, including the number of images, image quality, image size, and camera settings. Within the camera settings, you can adjust the camera type, lens, focal length, and aperture. Once everything is configured, click Generate to create your storyboard. Lumina will then create a new node called Scene Group. From here, you can further refine each storyboard by adjusting the camera angle, camera movement, grid layout, lighting, and many other storyboard tools available under the More section. You can regenerate your storyboard using your own settings, or switch to a different AI image model if you want a different visual style. Simply choose another model, such as Seedream 5 or Nano Banana 2, then modify the storyboard prompt or any other parameters before generating a new version. To help you better understand what each setting does, here are some before and after comparisons using different adjustments. Once your storyboard is ready, you can generate all of the scenes using batch generation to save time. Simply click the Batch Generation Video button. Select the video model you want to use, then configure the other settings, such as the aspect ratio, resolution, and any additional parameters. Once everything is ready, click Generate to start creating your final video. And here's the result.
Easy job today.
Hey, stop!
Who is that?
Don't run!
Drop it. Slowly. Just what I needed. Perfection.
My jeans?
Director mode. Now it's time for the most powerful feature in Lumina Canvas, Director's Desk. Unlike traditional AI video generation, where you simply write a prompt and hope for the best, Director's Desk gives you a virtual 3D studio where you can plan every shot before generating your video. In this section, I'll give you a quick introduction to how it works. However, keep in mind that this tutorial alone isn't enough to master Director's Desk. Since it's a fully customizable virtual 3D studio, mastering all of its features takes time and practice. The more you experiment with it, the more control you'll have over your final results. 1. Create a virtual world. Before using Director's Desk, you'll first need to create a panoramic image for your virtual world or environment. This gives you complete control over the setting where your scene will take place. To do that, create an image generation node and enable the panorama option. Then, simply describe the environment you want to generate. Once it's ready, you'll have a panoramic world that can be used inside Director's Desk. Here's the panoramic image I'll be using for this tutorial. 2. Director's Desk. Now create a new node and select the Director's Desk option. Click the Open Director's Desk button to launch the editor. Then, upload the panoramic image you created earlier. Once it's loaded, simply drag the view around the screen to explore the 360-degree panoramic environment. 3. Camera. You can use multiple cameras in your video to make it more cinematic. To add a new camera perspective, click the plus button in the Camera section, then adjust its settings in the Camera Control tab. With multiple cameras, you can easily create cinematic transitions whenever needed. 4. Roles. In this 3D studio, characters are called roles. By default, there is one role, but you can delete it if you don't need any characters in your video. To add more roles, click the plus button and choose either single role or crowd. The crowd option lets you quickly generate multiple characters by specifying the number of people, rows, and spacing. To move a character, simply select it and drag the arrows in the viewport, or enter the position values manually in the Attributes panel. To change a character's pose, open the Posture tab. From there, you can choose from a variety of preset poses or create your own by adjusting the pose parameters manually. 5. Image reference. Once you've finished designing your scene, you can use it directly as an image reference by clicking the Screenshot button. The screenshot will be saved in the side panel. To use it, click the Add to Canvas button to add it as a parameter in your Canvas workflow. Exit the editor, and you can now use it as an image reference for generating images or videos. Simply click the plus button to add the node you want, then generate an image or video using this reference. Here are the image and video generated using this reference.
You came.
I was waiting.
6. Animation to video. Now let's animate our scene and use it as a video reference. This allows you to plan every character movement, camera angle, and action before generating the final video, giving you precise control over every frame. To get started, click the record button to begin recording the animation. You can now move your characters and adjust the camera perspective. Whenever you want to save a position or camera movement, click the Add Keyframe button. Continue building your animation by moving the characters or camera to the next position and adding keyframes as needed. Repeat this process until your animation is complete. Once you're finished, click play to preview the animation. If everything looks good, click Export and select Add to Canvas. Exit the recording interface to return to the Canvas workspace. Then, add a new video generation node. Add the exported animation as your video reference, then enter a prompt describing how you want the final video to look. The video reference will guide the AI by preserving the character movements, camera transitions, and overall timing, while your prompt controls the visual style, appearance, lighting, atmosphere, and other creative details. Next, select your preferred video model, adjust the remaining generation settings, and click Generate. Here's the comparison between the original animation and the final AI-generated video.
I've been waiting for this moment.
I just cleaned this place, and look at this mess you two made.
As you've seen throughout this tutorial, Lumina is designed for creators of all skill levels, from complete beginners to professional filmmakers. Whether you want to generate videos in just a few clicks with Lumina Agent, create storyboards and cinematic scenes with Lumina Canvas, or take full control inside Director's Desk, Lumina provides a workflow that grows with your skills. If you'd like to try Lumina yourself, click the link in the video description to claim your free credits and unlock the $0.99 trial plan. It's a great way to explore everything Lumina has to offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.